Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover iCloud photos on Mac. So if you have recently turned off iCloud photos and removed your photos from iCloud by mistake, you may think they are gone forever. But that's not always the case. Apple keeps your iCloud photos available for a limited time before permanently delete them. During this recovery period, you can restore your photos with just a few clicks. So if you change your mind or accidentally remove your iCloud photos, this feature can help you to get them back. And to do so, click on the Apple logo at the top left corner of the screen and then choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, go to Apple account at the top and here choose iCloud. After that, click on Manage button and from here scroll and find iCloud Photos and click on it. And now here you can see Recover iCloud Photos option. Click on it and that's it, and your iCloud photos will begin to recovery process, and depending on the amount of data, it may take some time for everything to appear again across your Apple devices. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.